What's up guys, panibagong araw, panibagong vlog tayo. For today's video, tayo ngayon ay magluluto ng Mickey. So yan guys, pag ito naluto ay isa siyang pansit.
Paano masabi?
Yung ating gagamitin sa ating ingredients, bawang sibuyas, meron tayong gulay. Alright. So yan guys, kung bago ka pa lang napadpad sa aking channel, huwag po kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, at pindutin na rin ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bago nating videos. So bago natin simulan yan, intro muna tayo. So ayan guys, painitin lang natin yung ating kawali bagong mantika.
Kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live in my pain?
Guys, lagay natin ng ating oil. Alright.
Okay, living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's
Next, ilagay natin ang garlic.
be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray
So ayan guys, lagay na natin yung ating sibuyas.
Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
A few moments later.
Guys, ito yung panggisa natin. Kakulo guys, lagyan natin ng toyo. So ayan guys, lagay na natin yung ating Mickey kung tawagin sa amin guys. So ito yung ating pansit kabagan. Ayan, shoutout sa lahat sa mga taga Isabela. Alright. So ayan guys, add tayo ng paminta. So ayan guys, nag-add din tayo ng betchin.
few moments later.
So pagka pakulo niyan guys, next step natin na ilalagay na natin yung ating gulay. Alright.
Nice.
A few moments later.
So ayan guys, ano pang hinahantay natin? Sandukin na natin yan. So ayan guys, ito na yung ating pansit kabagan. Ayan, mainit-init pa guys. Ano pang hinihintay natin? Try na natin yan.
Sana all.
So ito na nga guys. This is it, pansit. So ayan guys, pang napak ang sariling version natin ng pansit kabagan. So ayan guys, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, like, at pindutin na rin ang notification bell para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bago nating videos. All of you guys, thank you so much for support my YouTube channel, AC47 TV.
I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight. Gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk